So between data entry and social media management, which one is easier for complete beginners to get started? And which one is easier for beginners with no previous experience to find their first client? That's what we are going to talk about today. In this video, I'm going to help you decide whether you should be a data entry virtual assistant or social media manager, based on which one is going to start bringing you money faster. And both data entry and social media management are skills that are in constant demand. Most businesses, or at least most successful businesses, have a data entry specialist and a social media manager. And remember, I'm talking about a social media manager, not a social media marketer, even though they are confused a lot. So let's start with which one is easier to start. In terms of ease of getting started for complete beginner, someone with no previous experience being a virtual assistant, if we take data entry, for example, all you need in order to start offering data entry services is you need a good knowledge of Microsoft Excel and Google Sheet. If you know how to use Microsoft Excel, then you won't have a problem using Google Sheet. If you know how to use Google Sheet, you won't have a problem using Microsoft Excel. And all you need is a good knowledge of how to use it, basic knowledge, nothing like writing formulas or any complicated things, basic knowledge. And you just need to know how to browse the internet, because data entry work, that is really all it requires. Most data entry job is just to save time. Data entry work is time consuming, and business owners doesn't have the time to put into doing data entry work themselves. And so that is why in most cases it's more profitable to just hire someone to do data entry work. So if you know how to even if you don't know how to use Excel or Google Sheet, you just need to spend some hours into learning and practicing, and you can have the basic knowledge to get started. But what about social media management? What you are going to be doing as a social media manager is creating graphics for social media management, for social media pages, scheduling posts, writing caption for posts, engaging with followers or engaging with other content relevant to the brand that you are working for, responding to DMs, managing communities like Facebook groups. These are the things that you are going to be doing as a social media manager. So what do you need to learn in order to get started as a social media manager? First, you need to learn at least Canva. You need to know how to use Canva for creating social media graphics. And if you know how to create social media graphics in Canva, then you just need to also learn how to write some captions, how to write captions. And it's easier to write captions now with AI. So really the thing that you really need to learn is creating social media graphics. You are going to have to be using some scheduling tools, things like Meta Creator Studio, things like Planoly, things like SocialBee. There are many scheduling tools for social media, but none of them really, based on my own experience, none of them are complicated. So the main thing in social media management is learning how to create good graphics. But the problem is creating good graphics is not really something that you can learn in a few days. If you have no experience with graphic design at all, then you can learn all the basics of Canva. You can learn how to set up graphics in Canva with template, but creating good graphics, at least from scratch, is going to take you weeks, if not months. And you have to be doing it consistently in order to be really good at it. And another problem is, if you are just getting started, you might spend 1 or 2 days learning Canva, learning how to create graphics, and you create the graphics. Because you are a beginner, you think the graphics are great, when in reality, the graphics are not that good. That is very common for someone getting started with graphic design. And if your graphics are not really good enough, then you are just going to be struggling as a social media manager. And that is why, in terms of ease of getting started, data entry is easier to get started than social media management. But which one is faster to find client? In terms of finding client, both skills are in demand, in constant demand. But I believe data entry has a little more competition than social media management. Because data entry is easier to start, so everyone just gets started. So there is a lot more competition in data entry than in social media management. There is still a lot of competition in social media management, but not as much competition as in data entry. And of course, in most cases, the higher the competition, the more difficult it is going to be for a complete beginner to find a client. Let me give you another example. It's easier to really attract potential client as a social media manager compared to data entry. A good example is if you are looking for a client, you see a job that you are interested in as a data entry virtual assistant, you read the job description and the person maybe has an e-commerce website and they want to track their number of orders and the quantity of stock they have, and it's a daily job maybe. What type of sample work can you create for them that is going to show to them and prove to them you know what you are doing? Yes, you can create Excel file, but if maybe 20 people send their proposal to the same job and maybe 5 of them create sample and send to the client, the samples are going to be a lot the same because it's just Excel. So the samples are just going to be really very similar to each other. But what if you are applying for a social media manager position and you check the person's social media account, you see the type of graphics they are creating, and you go ahead and you create maybe 2 or 3 samples specifically for them and you send it to the person. When the person is checking the applications and they saw your application, they saw the sample you create, if you are really good at creating social media graphics, when they look at your graphics and they want your graphics, you are going to have a higher chance of getting a response from them. And that is why if you have the skills, finding client as a social media manager is going to be a lot easier than finding a client as a data entry virtual assistant. So the question now is, which one is right for you? Shall you start as a data entry virtual assistant or a social media manager? And the answer is obviously going to depend on yourself. Can you become a social media manager? If you really can create attractive, you have the skills to create social media graphics that are going to attract potential client, then it is most likely going to be faster for you to find client. But if you don't have the right skills, it's a lot better for you to just get started as a data entry virtual assistant. Even if you are interested in social media management, if you know you don't have the right skills, just get started as a data entry virtual assistant. It might take you longer to find a client, but eventually, when you are looking for a client as a data entry virtual assistant, you are learning your skills, you are upskilling, you are practicing your skills. Whether you find your first client as a data entry virtual assistant or not, when you have the right skills to become a social media manager, then it is going to be easy for you to transition. And if you want to learn more about social media management, you can watch this next video. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next one.